BBAI stock analysis. This is Thursday. Is it a buy or not? I'm going to be breaking all that down, covering it in this brief short 1-minute video. Now, I'm just the only person in this stock trading space with an actual track record of 43,000 videos and 5 years of experience and showing you what's working. For me, again, ultimately comes down to being patient and just, I'm hoping I see my confirmations met, because over the last 5 longs I've taken here, and this is ever since kind of before, like late May, I've got a 5 longs, 3 W's and then 2 break-evens. Again, this is just still around 10 R plus that I'm up here. And especially with BBAI, like the only thing that's going to make me pull the trigger on this long side is this double break here. Like it is still going to be exactly the same. If I do not see the price give me any sort of greenery here, then there's just no way that I'll look long. I mean, doesn't get simpler than that. If this then that thing, right? And with BBAI, I've got a bunch of I have 86 results in this Discord server, you know what I mean? So it's not lack of receipts in this. So if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.